This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're having the soy sauce chicken lo mein, which is the tossed noodles with some nice Chinese veggies, which is Shanghai bok choy. Easy recipe to make, really easy to enjoy. So let's get started. So I'm using these lotus seed noodles. They're easy to cook, only takes 5 minutes to boil. And then, so water these noodles in there. So that'll make one big order. Today we're making soy sauce chicken lo mein, which is soy sauce chicken with the tossed noodles. So we're going to reheat the soy sauce from the chicken drumsticks we made the other day. So we have some drumsticks here. I'm just going to cut up the drumsticks into smaller pieces. So we have two soy sauce chicken drumsticks put into the sauce. I like to stir fry my veggies for extra flavor. So here I'm going to put a tablespoon or two of cooking oil. I use peanut oil. Garlic, so I'll put a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of garlic. I'm going to stir fry the veggies before I put them into the tossed noodles with the chicken. So for this size order, I put in a couple of cups of Shanghai bok choy with Chinese veggies. Give the Shanghai bok choy a quick toss with the ginger and the garlic for added flavor. You don't need to stir fry the wok if you don't want to, but I like to get the nice sear carbon flavor into the veggies. So that should be okay. This is fast cooking. When you're on the go, you want to eat fast. So you can strain the noodles if you like. I'm going to strain them. The noodles in with the bok choy, the Shanghai bok choy. Give the noodles a quick toss. It's got the soy sauce chicken cut up, and this is a real fast way to make a nice tasty noodle dish you can serve every day. Okay, we're ready to serve. Look at the color of the noodles, man. We gotta serve these noodles right now. Doesn't take that long. When you have leftovers, you can make a nice dish very quickly with lots of taste. There you have it, my version of soy sauce chicken with Chinese veggies. Enjoy. For the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos, just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.